two thin dielectric slab of dielectric constant K1 and K2 are inserted between plates of a parallel plate capacitor as shown in the figure. See, this is the parallel plate capacitor and K1, K2, it is the dielectric slabs are inserted. The variation of the electric field E between the plates with a distance D as measured from the plate P is currently shown by P and Q. Here it is there, and P side positive and the Q side negative is there, and the distance also, or D, the distance between the plates is D here. Okay, then we need to find which graph it is correct, we need to find here. Okay, then we know that the region of vacuum in this container is, we can write this one as E is equal to Q divided by epsilon naught times A. And in a region where dielectric is present, in the total volume where the dielectric, these two plates are present, we can write that one as E is equal to Q divided by K times epsilon naught into A. And by this one, we can directly conclude that E is inversely proportional to the K value, dielectric value. That means as the K1 is value is more than the K2 value, K1 value is more than the K2 value, and if the E value is decreasing, if the E value is decreasing and the greater the K2 value, because the K2 is greater than K1, if E value is decreases, K value is increases. Okay, then by this one we can see here that in this case it is a decreases, it is constant. Then this is the, if this is K1 and this is K2, if K2 is greater than K1, if E value is decreases, then the K value is increases. Then option A is our right answer.